Hi. So I didn't show any videos of this printing, but I just printed the back piece. I actually thought it was the opposite side of the front lower bit, but it's actually the rear piece. And I think if you can see there that will be joined by two bolts at that point. Um, so where are we at? So that's the old um, print that I started with. Here we are with the start of the new side, so we're just working with this bit here at the moment. Um, so printed okay. One thing I would like to work out, usually with prints, it's always possible to angle them to get clean print areas. Um, I've got this bit here that was obviously I printed with this side down on the print bed. As you can see, you put support, but it's left that area a bit messy. I'm sure there's a way of me being able to get that neater, but I'm not sure. If you know how to do that, if that's a setting in Cura that you can change to get this to print neater, that would be good. But having it print that way down seemed to be the most logical way of doing it. But anyway, two parts done for the reprint. So in the next few days will be the opposing sides of here, and then we'll start working on this top bit again and see how it looks. It'd be really nice to actually see this this part of the head put together, and then see how it start adding the other sides on. Anyway, that's good. As somebody mentioned, I probably could have made this all in one piece and printed in one piece. Main problem I have is I've only got the one printer, and it's the Ender free printer, and that's a 220 by 220 print bed. Just cleaning glass at the moment, so that's why it's missing at the moment. Anyway, that was just an update of where I'm at, so hopefully the next few pieces done and I'll start bolting it together. And as with all my projects, most of the bolt holes are 4.5 millimeters in size to allow for 4 millimeter bolts, 4 millimeter by 15 mil. So was it M4 by 15 millimeter bolts. Anyway, just a small update.